Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: a wireless network was recently installed in a coffee shop, but customer mobile devices are not receiving network configuration information. What should be done to correct the problem? Select 1. Check the connection of the TNS server to the internet. Provide peripheral devices to customer. Make sure the DHCP server is functional. Ensure that the default gateway device is working properly. The answer of the question is: to correct the problem of customer mobile devices not receiving network configuration information in the wireless network, you should make sure the DHCP server is functional. So the correct answer is: make sure the DHCP server is functional. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.